the garage.
Is that?
You finally got it. Took a half an hour.
Which one? What do I want? One minute story.
Just up in the air. Catch it.
I can't.
Try and catch it.
But I can't catch it. Okay?
Well, you can try.
Do a little.
Throw it up in the air and catch it.
I can't see.
Well, try.
I don't want.
What do you mean you don't want to try?
I just want to throw somewhere.
Throw it at me then.
All right.
Catch. Pick it up again.
All right.
Hey, give me some shots.
All right.
Holy jumping, you're missing totally.